Ah, yes, those were simple times. Times when people had to entertain themselves.
Big Bob, come!
Who, Big Bob?
Big Bob, big! Big Bob, bad! Big Bob, go whoomp, whoomp, whoomp! Here, Big Bob.
Big Bob.
Hence Cat's instinctive fear of dogs. Big Bob slobbered and ran away. Cave Cat gave Big Bob a piece of his mind.
Aha, Big Bob. Cave Cat go whoomp, whoomp, whoomp. Ooh, stay away, Big Bob, or Cave Cat go whoomp, whoomp, whoomp.
Alas, Big Bob returned with the world's first and last Crabtree. He wanted to play fetch. Thus, the world's first and last Cave Cat bought the farm for failing to field a fetched Crabtree.